Hey everyone, John Beacon here, your pre-owned manager at Lexus of Orange Park. Come visit us at 7040 Blanding Boulevard to check out our Lexus certified lineup. Today we are featuring this 2021 Lexus ES300. This Caviar ES has only 11,000 miles and it has been marked down to sell at only $45,920. This front-wheel drive vehicle is equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and receives a combined fuel economy rating of 44 miles per gallon. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features, including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of this vehicle's highlights include a wireless charger, park assist with brake assist, and an 8-inch display complete with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All Lexus certified vehicles come with a 161-point vehicle inspection, an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 factory recommended maintenances for 2 years, and a 90-day trial of SiriusXM radio. Stop by today to test drive this or any of our great Lexus certified vehicles. Until next time, bye-bye.